Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. An August cold front is on the way to Southeast Texas. Before you get that look in your eyes, this is Southeast Texas, this is August. We may see a little reduction in humidity values up in the lakes area, but I'm not buying it for the triangle. In fact, it could act as a focus for showers and thunderstorms exactly where it stalls. It could be further south than here coming up tomorrow, and that would help us in the triangle. But right now, I'm going to go with it going right on the triangle and about a 20, maybe 30% coverage coming up tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, it's the hottest time of the year in Southeast Texas. This is our climatological peak as far as afternoon high temperatures, which is 93 degrees between August 2nd and the 15th. After the 15th, our normal highs start going down. Our highest temperature ever recorded occurred twice. One of the latest was in 2000, where we hit 108 degrees. Nothing like that on the way for our area, but certainly warm temperatures. There's the front off towards our northwest, and it'll be moving into our area overnight. We have seen a nice reduction in moisture over the state the last couple of days. And as we head over into the tropics, quick update with Tropical Storm Isaias. A tropical storm may get close to hurricane strength as it makes landfall over towards Wilmington, North Carolina. It's about 65 miles to the southeast of Charleston. And as you can see, quite a bit of shear now, southwesterly shear, keeping that storm at this point from becoming a hurricane. Regardless, a tornado watch is in effect for the Carolinas, where it's expected to make landfall, and there are hurricane warnings over towards Wilmington. Right now, the Hurricane Center is still keeping this below hurricane status, but then it whips off towards the north, going Atlantic City, New York City, and on into Quebec as we head on into, say, Wednesday, Thursday. Obviously not an issue for us. We are watching Invest 94L. Again, notice the trajectory off towards the northwest. Could become a depression, but again, I think we're okay as far as this not reaching the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf's closed right now for business, meaning the tropics are not an issue for us because we have a northwesterly wind flow aloft courtesy of this trough of low pressure. Again, I'll say it, you either want to have this type of pattern over Texas or a blocking high as far as if there's any threat for the Gulf of Mexico as far as the tropics. So right now, the western Gulf of Mexico is closed. Nothing could get in to the western Gulf of Mexico. So this trough will move on off towards the east, and we're going to replace it with a big ridge of high pressure. Again, one of those two patterns I just showed you, that's what you want to have as far as when you head on into the peak of hurricane season. Obviously, we want this high to stick around right on through September, if you know what I mean. Taking a look at Futurecast tonight, that front will move on in through the lakes area. It may see a northerly wind shift tonight, and temperatures dropping into the low to mid 70s. Now again, exactly where this front stalls over the triangle will dictate what kind of shower coverages we'll have tomorrow. At this point, I'll go with 20, maybe 30% coverage just in case this front does not move as far south as what some of the modeling is showing. Regardless, I still think we're going to see high temperatures in the low to mid 90s. On the Gulf for your Tuesday, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast with a west wind at 5 to 10 knots. Water temperature 86 degrees. Our forecast tonight, mostly clear, warm and humid. Low temperatures in the lower 70s lakes, mid 70s in the triangle. Tomorrow, maybe a 20 to 30% coverage in the triangle. Otherwise, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Highs still back into the mid 90s. Extended forecast, scattered showers and thunderstorms expected Tuesday and Wednesday, yellow bar days. Thursday, could be a 40% coverage. We get a little surge in moisture moving into our area. So I'm going to go about 30 to 40% coverage on Thursday. Friday back down to a 20% coverage. Notice the afternoon high temperatures start going down as we head on into the weekend, about normal for this time of year as far as rainfall and rain chances across the area. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com. Stay safe and have a fantastic Monday evening.